So this is our room in Efteling. We are in a village.
We're in Hotel Loonsche.
Hotel Loonsche.
And it's room 504.
And it's 504. And it sleeps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. So
you got set bunks over that side.
yeah.
You got lights above and then you got one up there.
Yep. You gotta climb up there. It's alright. I could do this turn this light on, but I don't know where it is.
In the entrance. So you do have a light in each of the bunks, and there's a plug socket with the light as well.
Oh, is there even?
Yeah.
Excellent. So we've got
Same on that one there, you got a plug socket as well. And that one up there, you also have a plug socket there, and a plug socket on that one. And also 2 plug sockets over here.
You've got a little table.
Table to work at.
Chair. You've got a TV. What does it say? Lotions.
Even not really much of a wardrobe. It's
where it's hanging out.
just hanging our very wet clothes at the minute. In here is the bathroom. Hairdryer there.
Might need that in a bit.
Soap.
What does that little thing say there? Towels.
Towels.
Help us preserve the environment. But I'll basically reuse your towels.
Yeah. There's more places to hang wet stuff up there. You've then got your
Shower.
shower.
I might have one to
And you got your shampoo and body wash there. Obviously an adjustable shower head. There's a step down into the room as well, so that's something to watch out when you go in the other direction. And the view from the room is out over Loonsche Holiday Village.
Oh, I thought
Across this way.
those ones, isn't it?
See you down there.
It's very wet.
It's got all the little holiday cottages.
Very cute.
You've even got the ones over there with the grass roofs on. Just over there.
And there's the entrance to the hotel because there are the antlers, look.
Yeah.
Cool.
So that is our room here at Hotel Loonsche at Efteling. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you all real soon.